The Makita DTW285 is an impact wrench designed for a variety of tasks, including automotive repairs such as tightening and loosening car tire bolts. It is part of Makita's line of cordless tools, known for reliability and durability. It features a brushless motor, 280 Newton meter max torque, compact and lightweight, variable speed control, electric brake, reverse rotation auto stop mode, two lithium ion batteries, and LED light. It is commonly used for automotive repairs, construction, and heavy duty fast jobs. It's ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a versatile, cordless impact wrench. TW285's combination of power, compact size, and battery life makes it a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable tool for a car repairs or general construction work.